Myself, my roll number is 23BQ5A1210. Today, my topic about logic implication with truth table. What is logic implication? Logic implication means is relationship between positive where the second property is logic conceive of the first. Let's take an example. If A and B are respective symmetric statements, then AB means A implies B, or if A then B, the word's implication is used to stored possible sense. Let's take an example. Q double implies to P or Q. Let us we have to write it. Q implies negation of P or Q. Negation of Q implies negation of P or Q. This is implication. Negation of P and Q. This is also implication. Negation of Q R of Q implies R negation of P. This is associative. Next we have to write 2 R negation of P. This is tautology. Therefore, this is the right. We have to implies the truth table. This question. We are discussing about this truth table of the question. PQ. We have to take the gates. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Next P negation of Q. True, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false, true. Next Q implies P implies Q. That means we have to take enough Q and P. These two. True, 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 false, true, false, true, true, false, true, true. This all of truths. That means logic implication of truth table is correct. Let us take another example. Negation of P implies Q, double implies negation of Q. That means negation of P implies Q, negation of Q. Negation P implies Q of negation of Q. That is implication. P and negation of Q. Negation of Q, negation. Negation of P and negation of Q and negation of Q. That's implication. Negation of P or Q implies and negation of Q. That is negation. Negation of P and Q and negation of Q. That is associative. Negation of P or 2. Tautology. That means 2. Tautology. It means right. Let's take a truth table of this example. Example. P, Q, negation of Q, P greater than Q, negation of P greater than Q, and negation of P greater than Q implies negation of Q. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. This is right. Negation of Q. True, true, false. True, false, true. False, true, false. False, false, true. Greater than Q. True, true, true. True, false, false. False, true, true. False, false, true. Negation of P greater than Q. Let us take and which greater than P greater than Q and negation of Q. False, true, false. True, false, true. False, true, false. True, true, false. Let's take a negation of P implies Q implies negation of Q. That means P implies Q and negation of Q. False, false, true. True, true, true. False, false, true. True, false, true. All are right. That means logic implication with truth table is right. That's it. This is the logic implication of truth table.